Hi guys, it's me Brianna. Today we're opening a Jojo's bow club. This is the bow. It's all black and it's from the 14. And that's a triangle and that's another triangle. Those are just like squares and another triangles. That's just like a big line. And over here it says Jojo. Nickelodeon, and we are going to be opening it. Let's start. First, we have this gold bow. This is a triangle, another triangle, a little square. These two triangles, a big, another square, and another one. A Jojo merch circle. It's a pin. You put it right there. And then we just have this little bag. And it says Jojo, Nickelodeon, and from the 14. Let's open. Oh, and it's black. This is a Jojo bracelet. It has a bow and it has a Jojo merch sign. And it's all golden. This is where the bow is in. It's all gold with Jojo and a heart. This is the bow, and it's all with its pretty yellow gems and this little Jojo sign, and it's all black, and it's gold. And upside down, there. Now, inside here, there's just a Jojo sign and some gold bows. Now, thank you for watching on Brianna's channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button and give us a big thumbs up. See you later. Bye.